Hey there guys, Anita here at Legacy Ford Fernie. So the majority of our Ford F-150s, 250s, 350s have this feature of the tailgate step. Not all of them, but the mass majority here at Legacy. So I just want to show you how to use it. It's super simple. They even number it for you. So all I'm going to do is push this button, pops out. There's our step. And I pull this latch out here. That's it. So if you're someone that's constantly getting in and out of your truck all day, taking things out, if something's further to the back that you can't reach from the side, this will help you get in and out a little bit easier than just jumping up on the tailgate. So you can hang on to this, get up. It's very sturdy. It holds up to 350 pounds. And then to put it away, just push in number 1 and push down number 2. That's it. And it's nice and tucked away, so hopefully that'll help you if you're someone who's getting in and out of your truck bed pretty often. Also, just to wrap this up, take a look at those lovely mountains.